term na yun?
Hindi, okay hindi ko sasagutin. Kasi, sasagutin ni Juan. Sa natulog sa babae yun. Ang tanong ko na lang, willing ba kayo maging mistresses? Just, if ever lang, at makasama ang legal wife sa isang bahay. At isang asawa.
Muslim pwede yan.
Are you willing?
I don't think I can take being a mistress in real life. Do you think magkakasama sila sa bahay?
That happens
Sa
kasi
Muslim,
now.
Muslim pwede.
Really?
Yeah, yung mga scenarios na ganyan ngayon.
Ang alam ko, ang nangyayari, may knowledge na yung girl na may karelasyon na pero hindi na lang nagsasalita. Pwede magkasama sa isang bahay.
Mga
Yes.
Muslim nga, they're allowed to have 4 wives in one house.
Well, I guess it's the culture that they've known all their lives, no? But for someone like me, that's not the culture that I grew up in. No. No talaga. I'd like to know that I'm the only woman in my man's life.
No other.
There's no other woman.
Si Christine naman. Your thoughts?
Kasi hindi ko kakayanin.
Short and sweet, ha? Ganun, ha? Derek, alam mo yung mga naging Mercy kanina, parang siya naman yun, boys will be boys. Parang ganyan. So parang, yes, kung ano yung situation na yun.
Pero alam niyo, baliktad na panahon, girls will be girls.
Ah.
And can I just say, that's why you don't choose a boy, you choose a
A
man.
man.
Tazush. Padamihan ng linya dito.
True.
The last question will come from Natalie of Hollywood Star.
No other human.
Just want to ask the characters or mga artista or the cast, how are you taking the pressure of making this a hit, this film a hit? Kasi considering yung theme, recurring siya in a way, and also may trend ngayon na moviegoers are more into comedies.
The pressure is always going to be there. I think it's consistent with not only the cast, but everyone that's part of the whole No Other Woman theme. As you can see, parang followed yung interview namin kasi that's how we deal with the pressure of this movie. I think I'd like to correct you with the whole people are just looking for parang comedy movies. Based from the feedback that I'm getting, they like that it's a change. They like that it's more adult themed movies. And I think even when you look at the Hollywood movies coming out now, more people are tackling more challenging and more mature aspects of people's lives. So I think people are more excited and curious because it's been a while since nagkaroon ng ganitong klaseng setup na it's about mag-asawa na nagdilinyahan, parehas palaban. Hindi yung typical mo na yung mistress is from a club or from whatever, na pasugod lagi. It's talking about two women who just happen to be in love with the same man. So I think people are excited to see that. Kasi sa panahon natin ngayon, ang dami talagang nakaka-relate. Dito pa lang sa kwarto natin, madami nang nakaka-relate. So I think that's why people are excited to see it. More than putting it in a negative light na, ay baka it's something they don't want to see it. I think that's why people are more curious. And that's what makes us even more nervous. Kasi sana we live up to the expectations of what people have seen sa trailer.
Derek, your pressure.
Yeah, the pressure's there, pero Derek knows this. Every time na gumagawa ka ng project, that part of it, that side of the work, I throw over my shoulders. I'm there to give my 100%, work well with my co-artists, director, everyone on the set. Pagkatapos na lumabas yung pelikula, that's when I start worrying about But one thing I have to say, that you said this is like a common theme, recurring. Actually, you're right that it's a recurring theme. You're right that people tend to watch comedy nowadays kasi daming problema ng bansa natin. So it's nice to, laugh it off. But it's also nice sometimes when you can get and watch a film where you learn a lot of things and things that you can relate to. There are a lot of movies there that come out na lalabas ka that you don't really, you can't apply it or put it into your life. Pag pinanood nyo ito, kaya tinanggap ko rin yung project na tawag na explain it to me. You can grab a lot of lessons from the actual movie. Christine.
Hindi ba ako pressured kasi confident ako.
This is your first drama movie you've seen, no? Kasi what you've done before is parang medyo horror.